Hello everyone, this is Katie here. In this video, I'm going to explain you about the beautiful poem by Rabindranath Tagore, Paper Boats. So keep on watching my video from beginning till end. Happy digital learning. Have a good day. Paper Boats by Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore is an outstanding poet of modern India. The poem narrates the child's experience of floating paper boats down the stream. The child imagines that some other child tries to compete with his boats by sending clouds down in the air in the sky. Actually compete with his boats. So during childhood, we all have learned that we must be knowing that during childhood we make paper boats whenever it rains and we float in the water. Some of our friends also they make boats, and generally a race, a competition starts. So this poem recalled our childhood memory. When you read this poem, you are going to meet your childhood. This poem portrays the real child in you. This poem narrates the childhood, the boyhood, the girlhood, especially the tender heart which you had. Even now you have that tenderness and that childish emotion. So paper boats expresses and explain the psychology of a child. So I'm going to explain this poem for you. So pay attention and watch my video from beginning till end. Now before going further, I'm going to tell you about the poet Rabindranath Tagore, who is also called Gurudev. And every day in our assembly which we sing our national anthem Jana Gana Mana is also written by this great personality Rabindranath Tagore, who is from Bengal. Rabindranath Tagore was a poet, musician, polymath, Ayurveda researcher and an artist who recast music, Bengali literature and Indian art in late 19th and early 20th century. In 1913, Rabindranath Tagore was the first non-European to win Nobel Prize in Literature for writing his book Gitanjali. Rabindranath Tagore was also referred to as the Bard of Bengal. So this poem is a tribute to our greatest Nobel laureate and a poet and a gem of India, Rabindranath Tagore. So let's read about the paper boats. This poem is read and explained in all the classes in all the boards of India. So today you also have an opportunity to learn about this poem and to know about this poem Paper Boat by Rabindranath Tagore. First of all, I am going to read out the poem for you so that your explanation could be proper and improved, and then I'm going to tell you the summary of the poem, which will give you an actual idea about what this poem about. So first of all, I'm reading out the poem for you as it is in your textbook. So pay attention and see and hear properly how I read this poem. It is a very interesting poem. So hear it nicely. Now I'm going to read out the poem Paper Boats for you. Paper Boats by Rabindranath Tagore. Day by day, I float my paper boats one by one down the running stream. In big black letters, I write my name on them and the name of the village where I live. I hope that someone in some strange land will find them and know who I am. I load my little boats with silly flower from our garden and hope that these blooms of the dawn will be carried safely to land in the night. This was the first part of the poem. How beautifully Gurudev had written this poem. This poem portrays the child psychology and how in a simple and heart-touching vocabulary and language he have written this poem. Now the second part I'm going to read out for you. Pay attention. I launch my paper boats and look up into the sky and see the little clouds setting the wide bulging sails. I know not what playmate of mine in the sky sends them down the air to race with my boats. When night comes, I bury my face in my arms and dream that my paper boats float on and on under the midnight stars. The fairies of sleep are sailing in them, and the lading ins the baskets full of dreams. This was the end of the reading of the poem Paper Boats by Rabindranath Tagore. So I have read out the poem for you, and I hope you like this poem. How sweetly, how interestingly, how nicely Gurudev has written this poem Paper Boats. Now I am going to explain you the summary of the poem. All of you know what is a summary is. A summary is the total sum up and the explanation of the poem. So here I am reading out and explaining you the summary of the poem, the storyboard, the paper boats. The poem I am explaining the summary of the poem, The Paper Boats by Rabindranath Tagore. So pay attention. Here I explains. Rabindranath Tagore is an outstanding poet of modern India. He was the first to popularize modern India in the world literary scene. Primarily, he was a Bengali poet, but he was equally a master at writing in English. He translated many of his works into English. रविन्द्रनाथ टैगोर बहुत ही ऊंचे दर्जे के कवि थे जो बंगाल राज्य से थे। आधुनिक भारत के वो बहुत बड़े कवि रहे हैं और उन्होंने भारतीय साहित्य को पूरे विश्व में बिखेरा और भारतीय साहित्य के लौ को उसने पूरे विश्व में पहुंचाया। हालांकि वो बंगाली साहित्यकार थे, बंगाली कवि थे, बट उन्होंने अपनी कविता की रचना अंग्रेजी में भी की और कुछ बंगाली कविता को उन्होंने अंग्रेजी में भी अनुवाद किया। His poetry shows his deep humanism. उनकी सभी कविताओं में मानवता का भाव मिलता है। He is a universal message of peace, love and joy. उन्होंने पूरे विश्व में शांति, प्रेम और खुशी का संदेश पहुंचाया। He transcends the barriers of space and time, so his poetry has a universal appeal. उनके कविता में वक्त और ब्रह्मांड एक हो जाते हैं, थम से जाते हैं। उनकी कविता सर्वव्यापी है। वे पूरे विश्व के प्रेम तथा भाईचारे और शांति को नज़र में रखकर उन्होंने अपनी सभी कविता की रचना की है। उनके साहित्य में प्रेम, सहानुभूति, विश्व प्रेम अर्थात विश्व कल्याण का संदेश मिलता है। Paper Boats is a nice poem of Tagore, taken from his collection The Crescent Moon. पेपर बोट्स एक बहुत ही उत्तम कविता है जो उनकी संग्रह द क्रेसेंट मून से लिया गया है। दिस पोएम इज ऑन अ चाइल्डहुड एक्सपीरियंस। ये कविता बचपन के अनुभव के आधार पर लिखा गया है। Like Wordsworth and Walter de la Mare, Tagore also found in children a mystic quality. महान कवि वॉर्ड्सवर्थ और वॉल्टर दे ला मैर की तरह गुरुदेव रविन्द्रनाथ टैगोर में भी के कविताओं में बच्चों की एक अपना दुनिया होता है, गुप्त दुनिया। टैगोर ने भी दर्शाया है जिस तरह वॉर्ड्सवर्थ और वॉल्टर दे ला मैर ने दर्शाया है। The poem narrates the child's experience of floating paper boats down the stream. ये कविता बचपन के उस अनुभवों को दर्शाता है जो बच्चे बचपन में कागज के नौका बनाकर पानी में छोड़ते हैं. The child imagines that some other child tries to compete with his boats by sending clouds down the air in the sky. बच्चों को ऐसा लगता है कि उसके साथ उसके मित्र भी प्रतिस्पर्धा कर रहे हैं कागज के नौके के खेल में, और ये उनका बचपन का अनुभव होता है. The poem shows the child's peculiar psychology. ये कविता बच्चों के मनोविज्ञान को दर्शाता है. The child loves the worlds of playfulness and fun. किसी भी बच्चे के लिए खेल बहुत उत्तम है और उसके लिए ये दुनिया एक क्रिया का मंच है, खेल का मंच है. Day by day he floats paper boats down the running stream. He sends them with the intention that they would reach some distant lands. जब बच्चे कागज के नौके बनाकर जब भेजते हैं, उन्हें लगता है ना जाने उसकी नाव कहाँ तक, नौके कहाँ तक जाएंगे, कितने दूर तक फासला तय करेंगे, और ना जाने किन किन देशों का यात्रा करेंगे. Out of curiosity he writes his name and address on those boats. और इसी जिज्ञासा के कारण, इसी कुतूहल, वो अपना नाम और पता लिखकर उस कागज के नौके पे छोड़ देते हैं. उसे लगता है कि उसका कागज का नौका जहाँ जहाँ जाएंगे लोग उसके नाम और उसके पता देखकर शायद उसकी चर्चा करें या उसका कोई ये पेपर बोट्स ले ना ले. So nicely Gurudev has penned down in this poem his experience as a childhood. He fondly hopes that somewhere someone will find them and know him. I hope that someone in some strange land will find them and know who I am. बच्चों को कौतूहल रहता है, जिज्ञासु रहता है कि कहीं भी किसी भी स्थान पर कोई भी मनुष्य को जब उसका कागज के नौका मिलेंगे तो उसका नाम और पता देखकर वो लोग समझ जाएंगे कि इसका कागज की नौका है. The child has always a deep sense of love. बच्चे तो प्रेम से परिपूर्ण होते हैं. He wishes to present the unknown friend with a valuable gifts. बच्चे हमेशा अपने मित्रों को एक अनमोल तोहफा देना चाहते हैं. So he loads his boat with flowers from his garden. इसीलिए वे अपने कागज के नौके में फूल डाल देते हैं ताकि जो भी मित्र को मिले वो उसके तरफ से तोहफा होगा. He hopes that the boats will carry the flowers safely to the distant land in the night. उसे ऐसा लगता है कि रात के अंधेरे में वो सोता रहे पर उसका कागज के नौके में उसके मित्र का उपहार उस तक पहुंच जाएगी. इसी कारणवश गुरुदेव ने लिखा है, Rabindranath Tagore has written, and hope that these blooms of the dawn will be carried safely to the land in the night. When the child looks up, he sees the white clouds sailing in the sky. See the little clouds setting their white bulging sails. ये एक बच्चे का अनुभव है. He imagines that he has a friend in the sky. बालक को लगता है, बच्चों को लगता है कि उसका कोई मित्र है जो आसमानों से देख रहा है. He thinking that of the other child sends white clouds down the air to compete with his boats. और ऊपर बादल को देखकर ऐसा लगता है कि जैसे बादल चलते हैं उसका नौका भी चलता है, ऐसा लगता है कि उसका मित्र उसके साथ प्रतिस्पर्धा कर रहे हैं. I know not what playmate of mine in the sky sends them down the air to race with my boats. इसी वजह से बच्चे ये लाइन बोलते हैं. I know not what playmate of mine in the sky sends them down the air to race with my boats. और इसी कारणवश उसे लगता है कि उसका मित्र उसके साथ प्रतिस्पर्धा कर रहा है. At night he sees dreams in his sleep. रात को वो सपने भी देखता है. He dreams about his paper boats. In the dream he is happy to know that the angels are sailing in his boats. और वो सपनों में देखता है कि फरिश्ते उसके कागज के नौके पर यात्रा कर रहे हैं. उसे देखकर सपने में उसे बहुत खुशी का अनुभव होता है, क्योंकि बच्चों की अपनी दुनिया होती है. So I hope you have understood the poem by Rabindranath Tagore, Paper Boats, and you have understood and liked it also. आशा है कि ये कविता पेपर बोट्स आप सभी को अच्छा लगा होगा. आप सभी भली भांति समझे होंगे and liked it, और पसंद भी आया होगा आप सभी को. So keep on watching my video. More I will tell you in my next video. मैं और भी इस पेपर बोट्स के बारे में बताऊंगा मैं अपने अगले वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए अपना ख्याल रखें. गुड बाय, सी यू अगेन.